Karan, I want you to respond to him. He says it's a trick, it's a diversion. What Amit Shah said in the House, what the allegations against Mr. Adani, it's all an attempt to divert. That's all it is. Your response.
Madhav, Amit Shah ji has unveiled a chapter which everybody needs to know and which was documented but never discussed as threadbare as it's being discussed. Savita Ambedkar ji's wife, in her book, Baba Sahab, My Life with Dr. Ambedkar, mentions clearly how Nehru and Dange inflicted so much humiliation to him, rigging his first election, that it eventually led to his demise in 1956. This has never been talked about, and it must be. Gail Omvecht in Dr. Ambedkar Towards an Enlightened India says Dr. Ambedkar was the first person whose election was rigged. He in fact filed a petition, and it was J.P. Narayan who said, Jayaprakash Narayan, who said he has been cheated by Nehru. Nehru, in his letter to Edwina on 16th January 1952, admits that yes, today we have won big in Mumbai and Ambedkar has lost. He has been hobnobbing with Hindu communalists. Today, we are getting to know this version of history which we ought to know. And now let me reply to both our honorable members here. Our good friend Akhilesh ji, he was talking about कि किस तरह से अंबेडकर जी को भगवान मानते हैं. बहुत अच्छी बात है, बिल्कुल मानते हैं. पीडीए की राजनीति तो सर आपने बोली ना बार-बार. आप बोल रहे हैं कि ये तो दलित बोल रहे हैं, ओबीसी बोल रहे हैं. आप तो खुले में बोलते हैं हम पीडीए की राजनीति करेंगे. और ये वो पार्टी है माधव जिसने 2012 में एससीज की जॉब में प्रमोशन हुए उस ऑर्डर को रिवर्स करके उनको डिमोट किया. आजम खान ने कहा था अंबेडकर जी की जो मूर्ति है जिसमें ये उंगली दिखा रही है ये तो भूमि ग्रहण का तरीका है. जिन्होंने ये बोला आज क्या आप उसके लिए प्रायश्चित करके माफी मांगते हैं? एक सेकंड में आम आदमी पार्टी के भी हमारे मित्र ने जो बात कही उनको भी जरा बता दूं. ही इज सेइंग दिस इज अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन टैक्टिक. Swati Maliwal, a woman, gets beaten up at the residence of the Delhi chief minister. They called that also a distraction. So they have trivialized crimes against women or physical intimidation against women. And for their commitment towards Dalit, let me tell you something. Vijayendra Gupta, on the floor of the Delhi Assembly, has written to Atishi, and I'm telling you, the grievous things they've done for against the SCs. The scheduled caste scholarship, Madhav, every year, close to 1,200 students get that scholarship. It's a joint program of center and state, 40% funding by the state. This year, we have had only 79 enrollments. Such has been their lackadaisical approach towards scholarships, both pre-metric and post-metric, towards the SC students. They have let the Dalit community down. They have not had a Dalit deputy CM, which they said they'll have in Punjab. So they have a lot of answering to do.
Okay. Both of you, one by one. पहले अखिलेश जी, फिर आपके पास.
मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ. करण जी ने बड़े अच्छी बातें कही, बड़े ज्ञानी आदमी हैं. और कुछ चीजें जो इतिहास में गलत हुई हैं उसको सुधार लेते हैं. भंडारी साहब हैं, बड़े अच्छे प्रवक्ता हैं. डॉक्टर अंबेडकर के जीवन में जो सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धियों कहते थे कि पृथक निर्वाचन का अधिकार मैं दलितों के लिए लाया हूं, इससे दलितों के जीवन में विकास का रास्ता खुलेगा. आप मानते भंडारी जी इन्हें दोबारा मिलना चाहिए? और वो चीज जो गलती हुई थी जिसे बाबा साहब ने कहा था उस पर साइन करते हुए पूना पैक्ट पे कि आप दलितों के इतिहास में आज का काला दिन है, क्या ठीक किया जा सकता है? उसको जवाब दीजिए भंडारी साहब. इस जवाब है.
Well, it is extremely good that we're speaking about Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and let me go it step by step. It was Jawaharlal Nehru who did not want Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar to be the chairman of the drafting committee. He wanted a Britisher named Ivor Jennings. Why did you do the alliance with the Congress party knowing this? Point number two, Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964, what did Mr. Nehru do? After Baba Saheb Ambedkar passed away, Mr. Nehru on record called Baba Saheb Ambedkar as a very controversial figure. Point number three, Jawaharlal Nehru passed away in 1964. He gave himself Bharat Ratna in 1955. Indira ji passed away in 1984. She got Bharat Ratna in 1991. Baba Saheb Ambedkar passed away in 1956, and for 40 years the Congress government did not give Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar Bharat Ratna. Why? Because they hated them. Let me show you another thing. Aam Aadmi Party was speaking about constitution. This is their official tweet today. Look at how much they hate Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. The constitution is made by Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. He's the chairman of the drafting committee, but they replaced Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar by Arvind Kejriwal. Point number two, 10 seconds. Atishi goes ahead and says that she's against reservation. Yes. Her tweet in 2014 on Twitter says that she is against reservation, and those who have got, they should give away reservation. Answer, why are you against reservation?
पृथक निर्वाचन पे बाबा साहब ने जो कहा था उनके जिंदगी में था पृथक निर्वाचन का अधिकार दलितों को मिलना चाहिए या नहीं मिलना चाहिए, उस पर राय दीजिए अपनी. एक राय दीजिए भंडारी साहब.
मैं बोलूंगा. पहले आप माफी मांगिए कि आजम खान ने बाबा साहेब भीमराव अम्बेडकर को भूमाफिया बनाया. सुधार लेते हैं ना, अखिलेश यादव जी माफी मांगेंगे आजम खान के लिए,
साफ हो जाएगी.
अखिलेश यादव जी माफी मांगेंगे,
मिल जाएगा. बाबा साहब का सपना,
अखिलेश यादव जी माफी मांगेंगे. बाबा साहब का सपना आज साकार हो रहा है जब दलितों को सबसे ज्यादा हक मिल रहा है.